Welcome. My name is Amy McCarty and I am a data analyst, and I work in SQL to gather data for analysis to drive business insight. Sometimes this data comes from multiple sources, and sometimes there's a lot. In this course, you will learn to elegantly and efficiently combine data. We will cover choices in query structure, including join types, subqueries, and temporary tables. We will discuss limiting and aggregating data from large tables. We will cover database storage properties and how these characteristics impact the available optimization tools. Finally, we will view each concept through the lens of the query planner. Imagine you are at a restaurant. Your order is the query, or SQL instructions. You select your food from the menu. The waiter takes the request to the kitchen. The cooks determine how to best execute it. The cooks create the actual steps that return food. They transform your order into a meal that arrives quickly with the entree ready before the dessert, but after the appetizer. The cooks create the optimal execution plan to translate your query into a meal. Sometimes you order an entree, then drink, and have the drink arrive first. Similarly, queries also are not processed in the given written order. Select statements provide a list of ingredients. From statements provide the directions to these ingredients. We will explore how different ordering and structures impact the query plan and execution. We will start with joins. Joins are one way to combine data from different tables. A table on sales orders may contain a customer number, but the detailed customer information is stored in a separate customer information lookup table. Joins are a way to combine these tables, combining data to build a more comprehensive data set. Joins fall into two categories, inner and outer. We will explore inner joins first. An inner join uses a common column to link two tables. The final result has records only where this common column exists in both tables. This query selects all the data from the athletes table on the left and joins it to the countries table on the right using the common country column. Notice that the country column is duplicated since it is returned from each table. The final table has 3 records. It is missing the bolded entries from each source table because Mexico and Brazil only exist in the athletes and countries table respectively. Since the linking column has the same name in each table, the join condition can be simplified with the using statement. While this query executes the same as the prior inner join, it has the advantage that the joining column is only returned one time. As before, the final table is missing the bolded entries. If you wanted to see every athlete, including Javier from Mexico, and every country, including Brazil, an inner join would not be a good choice. Instead, you can choose a left join, the most common join type. Left joining countries to the athletes table, or left table, returns a result set that includes all the athletes, even the previously excluded Javier. The country information for Javier is blank since Mexico is not in the countries table. Brazil from the countries table is still not included, but you now have a results set that includes all the athletes. Right joining countries to the athletes table returns a results set that instead includes all the countries, even the previously excluded Brazil. Brazil is not in the athletes table, so athlete information is blank. Javier from the athletes table is no longer included. You now have a result set that includes all of the countries. The full outer join returns all records from both tables. Recall that the query planner is similar to restaurant cooks translating an order into a meal. Full outer joins are telling your waiter that you need tea after the appetizer but before the entree. They constrain the cook's ability to gather ingredients in the optimal order. Full outer joins put an order constraint on the query planner that other join types do not. Using them may slow the query execution. Now it is time for you to practice the different joins.